Imagine if, in minutes from now, you could get access to the brand new YouTube-powered AI app that transforms anyone into a world-class professional AI YouTuber like Mr. Beast and instantly drives millions of views and subscribers in any niche, in any language, in less than 2 minutes, without showing your face on camera or needing any video design skills. And the best part? It comes with a built-in, one-click automated subscriber finder tech that automatically broadcasts your YouTube videos and shorts to specific niche audience, delivering 10,000 to 50,000 daily subscribers on complete autopilot. Sounds like a massive life-changing opportunity? Look, the AI and YouTube industries have taken the world by storm, dominating every corner of the online space. And, in this new digital era, people are now 76 times more hooked to their phones and laptops, endlessly scrolling through YouTube, watching their favorite videos and shorts. And they're buying products like there's no tomorrow. And with the global icons like Cristiano Ronaldo joining YouTube, the platform has seen a massive surge in revenue, views, and subscribers. And, according to the latest research by Google, being a YouTuber is now one of the best career paths for modern times. Why? Because it offers the freedom to travel the world while making a ton of money on autopilot. Hence, the demand for AI-driven YouTubers and video content is skyrocketing, with no signs of slowing down. And here's the kicker. The YouTube industry isn't just thriving, it's exploding with growth like never before. Here are some facts. The YouTube industry is worth $400 billion and is projected to reach $700 billion by 2027. YouTube is the second most visited platform globally, with over 2.7 billion monthly active users. The average user spends 4 hours daily on YouTube, making it a prime platform for capturing and holding consumer attention. Brands that use YouTube ads report a 40% higher ROI compared to other platforms. 86% of businesses report that partnering with YouTube influencers is highly effective for driving sales and brand awareness. YouTube has made over 100,000 multimillionaires worldwide. And Mr. Beast is YouTube's top earner, with estimated annual earnings of $54 million, making him richer than many Hollywood actors. There are currently over 63.8 million YouTubers in the world, and the YouTube industry covers 97% of the entire internet revenue. And an average YouTuber with even 10,000 subscribers earns over $5,000 monthly. Hence, there is no doubt why transforming yourself or anyone into an AI-powered YouTuber and with 100% done for you. Viral content is the hottest business opportunity right now. And seeing the huge profit potential and limitless possibilities of becoming an AI YouTuber with built-in automated subscriber finder technology, we decided to give it a try. But we quickly ran into a major problem. Well, transforming yourself or anyone into a world-class AI YouTuber is not easy at all. It comes at a premium price and hard work. Building an automated AI YouTuber from scratch demands extensive coding, HTML, and technical knowledge. Plus, creating face videos requires expensive cameras and video tools, which can drain your wallet. And speaking in front of a camera? It's tough and demands fluent speaking skills. But what if there was a better way, where you can easily transform yourself or anyone into a fully functional world-class AI YouTuber in any niche, in any language, without spending a single dime? Introducing AiTuber, world's first YouTube-powered AI app that transforms anyone into a world-class AI YouTuber, like Mr. Beast, while driving millions of views and subscribers in any niche and language, in less than 2 minutes without creating any face videos and without any video designing skills. Finally, this groundbreaking 2024 AI lets you transform yourself or anyone into a world-class AI YouTuber like Mr. Beast and generate millions of views and subscribers on complete autopilot. Use the built-in one-click automated subscriber finder to instantly broadcast your YouTube videos and shorts directly to your niche audience, effortlessly driving 10,000 to 50,000 daily subscribers on autopilot. Design custom AI-generated avatars with dynamic facial expressions and adaptive lip syncing. Choose from over 1,000 done-for-you virtual actors for your automated YouTube videos and shorts. Dynamic facial emotions tailors. the emotional tone of your videos, ensuring every expression perfectly matches your script. Effortlessly create captivating YouTube videos and shorts with AI-driven scripts and stunning visuals. Transform your videos with AI-generated voices that sound 100% human, adding authenticity and appeal. Expand your reach globally with AI YouTubers, creating content in over 140 languages. Personalize your videos with uniquely designed backgrounds that elevate your brand's visual appeal. Instantly craft a professional logo for your brand or channel, giving you a polished and recognizable identity. Design eye-catching thumbnails that grab attention and make your content impossible to ignore. Get perfect AI-generated channel name suggestions that resonate with your audience. Receive compelling, search-optimized video titles that drive clicks and boost discoverability. Optimize your content's reach with AI-recommended hashtags tailored for maximum visibility. Edit and refine your videos with ease using powerful AI-driven tools. Enhance viewer engagement with clickable elements that keep your audience hooked. Seamlessly upload your videos directly to YouTube and other platforms, saving time and effort. Track your YouTube performance with built-in analytics tools. Get real-time assistance with AI-driven live chat support. And the best part? You can get all this done in under 2 minutes with just a few clicks. This next-gen, futuristic AI YouTube Maker app lets you say goodbye to the hassle of creating face videos on your own, say goodbye to the headaches of learning video editing skills from scratch, and finally, stop spending your hard-earned money on expensive AI video tools and apps. Now, it's time for you to experience the true power of this revolutionary AI YouTube Maker app, driving automated views, subscribers, and traffic on complete autopilot. Look, AiTuber is a game-changing AI revolution that allows even complete newbies with zero technical experience to start profiting from day one. All it takes is just 3 dead simple steps. Step 1. Choose your AI YouTuber. Upload your photo, select someone else's, or pick from our done-for-you AI avatars. Step 2. Customize. Effortlessly tailor the look and facial expressions of your AI YouTuber with text commands or our drag-and-drop builder. No coding required. Step 3. Publish and profit. Instantly publish your AI-generated viral YouTube videos and shorts while gaining 10,000 to 50,000 daily subscribers and sales on complete autopilot. And it doesn't get any better than this, my friend. After all, is there anything else out there that lets you transform anyone into a professional AI YouTuber with a built-in automated subscriber finder in any niche and language in under 60 seconds? There isn't. So, what are you waiting for? Right now, you have an early bird discount on this page, giving you full lifetime access to AiTuber for the price of a cheap t-shirt. But this discount won't be available to everyone. Once our capacity is reached, we'll be closing our doors for good. So don't delay any longer. It's a risk-free decision anyway, as you're backed by our 30-day money-back guarantee. So, what are you waiting for? There's no way for you to lose here. With that being said, take the plunge. Click the button below to get your copy of AiTuber at the lowest one-time price. We'll see you inside.